What do you want to play today? Put the people of different professions into the right transport. Tank driver. Tractor driver. Lifeguard. That's all. Fighter pilot. Motocross bike driver. Policeman. Done. Firefighter. Excavator operator. Ship captain. Keep it up. APC driver. Helicopter rescue. Monster truck driver. Keep up the good work. Ship captain. Firefighter. Tractor driver. Amazing. Fighter pilot. Motocross bike driver. Policeman. Keep it up. Formula car driver. Ship captain. Harvest operator. You are doing really great.